greetings from Berkeley.
Hola chicos, mi nombre es Kenley. Actualmente estoy en un programa de intercambio en Texas.
Good day, mate. It's a beautiful afternoon here in Sydney. The sun is shining bright.
I'm in UC Berkeley campus. That's the Tower of Berkeley. That's the symbol of the campus as well as the symbol of the city. Although I'm here in UC Berkeley, but I miss Singapore so much, and I miss you guys so much.
Hi guys, I'm here in the city of Minneapolis, and I'm on exchange in Minnesota.
Siapa gue sedih nih? Gue juga sedih nih, Nyok.
Hei, kalian kenapa?
Oh, kita sedih nih, Mo.
Sedih? Sedih kenapa?
Kita nggak bisa ikut ICF Camp.
Ya, aku juga gak bisa ikut.
Realmente quisiera unirme a NUS ACF Camp otra vez, pero tristemente no puedo.
Bro, lagi sedih nih gue nih. Gue juga nih, sedih banget nih. Kenapa lu? Gue main gak di Singapura. Iya, gue juga sih main gak di Singapura. Lalu gue pengen banget ikut itu camp sebenarnya. Oh, camp itu? Iya, sebetulnya gue juga pengen sih. Kayak udah lama banget nih gak bersekutu sama orang-orang Indo. Gue ikut tahun lalu, wah bener-bener bisa bertumbuh, bisa belajar bareng. Ya ini kangen banget gue, gila.
By the way, what do you guys have on 9 May? Oh, there's an ICF camp, exciting, but I cannot join you all since I won't be in Singapore yet, and I will be still in Berkeley, and I have final exams too, so sad.
But you know what? I'm feeling sad because I've just realized that I won't be able to join NUS ICF camp this year.
Really sad because I would not be able to join ICF camp.
And this year, I'm so sad that I couldn't go to the NUS ICF camp.
Aku sedih nih gak bisa ikut ISCF camp.
But you guys are in Singapore, right? So you guys can join the camp. I believe you guys will do class a lot and will learn so much by digging deep the Bible. So enjoy the camp. And is this your final exam week? Your reading week? Good luck for your finals. And see you guys in June when I go back to Singapore. Have a good day.
Apa ya temanya tahun ini? Kayaknya digali-gali gitu deh. Oh, let's dig in. Aduh, pokoknya semua yang udah di Singapura mesti datang pokoknya. Wah, seru banget pasti dig in. Kita bener-bener nyesel banget nggak bisa ikut ya nih. Tapi wish all the best for the camp. Oke, teman-teman pada ikut ya, semuanya harus ikut. Salam dari gua dan Marvin. Kita lagi nih. Bonjour. Dobranos. Oke, selamat camp. See you. Bye-bye. Asegúrense de unirse al campamento porque será enriquecedor y divertido. Gracias. Oke, sip. Itu dia guys. Yang mau tahu artinya silahkan datang ke campnya aja ya. Oke, see you soon.
So if you still have the chance, please sign up. So please, make sure that you go to the camp and share me the details when I get back.